big political face-off over the collapse of the Shivaji statue in Sindhudurg in Maharashtra. Well, the latest is that the structural consultant, or one of the contractors in fact, of the Shivaji statue has been arrested. This after there have been massive protests as well. In fact, interestingly, the Ajit Pawar faction of the NCP also protested at the collapse site over the collapse of this statue. In fact, the opposition there has blamed the government for alleged corruption. Let me go across live to my colleague Paras. So Paras, you know, now the structural consultant has been arrested, but what's the latest as far as the politics over this is concerned, given the fact that this is an emotive issue in Maharashtra, particularly given the fact that it's also an election year, and you had the Ajit Pawar faction also protesting against the government?
Rightly said, Vedant. This is a very emotional moment for all over Maharashtra and the Maharashtrian people, because Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj played a very important role all over Maharashtra, and he is considered as the main person all over the country. And this type of situation which has occurred in Maharashtra has boiled the blood of many people. The entire situation has erupted in Maharashtra. Many political parties are continuously protesting. Many people are protesting against this thing. Ajit Pawar had also said that, and has said that he is very much sorry what has happened in Sindhudurg. Plus with that, there are Congress who is continuously asking Prime Minister Narendra Modi to say sorry on this entire thing, the collapse of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue. In this entire matter, Vedant, a person called Chetan has been arrested by the local crime branch from Kolhapur, and he has been taken to Sindhudurg for more interrogation. In this, he is a contractor in this entire matter. Still, the artist who made the statue is absconding, and local crime branch is trying to find him where he is. But today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in Mumbai, and he is having an event in BKC, and over there, the Mumbai Congress has said that they will protest in BKC. There were many security people over there. Many police was there a few moments ago over here, but now Prime Minister Narendra Modi has already reached the event place, and security has been reduced in this BKC area of Bandra. But still, the collapse of statue is a very emotional moment for all Marathi people or Indians over here in Mumbai, and it's boiling blood of the people. We had seen how the political parties are reacting on this, and continuously the parties who are protesting against this collapse. Many political leaders, as Aditya Thackeray, many other people went to Sindhudurg to see the situation, and still there are many things which has to be done to sort out this entire situation. So right now the protesters are doing protests everywhere in Maharashtra. There are many situations which has occurred for this entire situation, Vedant.
But, you know, rightly, as you said, Paras, that this is a highly emotive issue as far as Maharashtra is concerned. But look at the politics of it also, because you've had many MVA leaders talk about how the entire Mahayuti is in a sense divided. In fact, yesterday there was a statement from the NCP Sharad Pawar faction as well, that Ajit Pawar was not present on stage when the Prime Minister, you know, came for that Lakpati Didi program. So of course, you know, that is something that the opposition camp is really picking up on, given the fact that you had Ajit Pawar faction protesting yesterday at the collapse site.
Rightly said, Vedanta. This is a emotional thing for everyone in Maharashtra, but with that, the political thing is also getting erupted, because right now we are only 2 to 3 months away from the Vidhan Sabha Chunav, and it will be very important to see. And Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj matter can destroy many parties, many vote bank, because the situation which has happened, it's very much disappointing for the people of Maharashtra, and Sindhudurg plays a very important role for Mahayuti, because from there Narayan Nane was elected the member of Lok Sabha, but the situation what has happened in Sindhudurg are creating many things and can be difficult for Mahayuti to now go further from here, because political things has erupted in Maharashtra and it can be a difficult phase for Mahayuti to get over this whole situation. They are trying, they had appointed a committee to find out the solution for what has happened in Sindhudurg. Then can be many other things which has been already said by
Right.
the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar. Also, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Eknath Shinde, has said that it has happened and it's a very disappointing thing which has happened in Sindhudurg. They are trying to figure out what is happening over there. So it
Sure.
may be a difficult stage for Mahayuti, and in corner right now, the Vidhan Sabha Chunav is right in corner. So this type of thing will happen and it can be create a political scenario in Maharashtra, Vedant.